Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Camille-de-Lellis is a municipality in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of southern Quebec, located within the Les Etchemins Regional County Municipality near the border with the United States. The community has a population of roughly 800 people and is surrounded by forests, farmland, rivers, and hills typical of this part of Quebec. Saint-Camille-de-Lellis reflects the rural character and natural landscapes that define much of the Etchemins region. The municipality was established during the late 19th century as settlers expanded into the area through farming and forestry. Early families cleared forest to create farmland and build homes, roads, churches, and schools. Like many rural communities in southern Quebec, development depended heavily on natural resources and transportation links connecting smaller settlements to larger towns across the province. The name Saint-Camille-de-Lellis comes from Saint Camillus-de-Lellis, an Italian priest known for his work caring for the sick during the 16th century. Religious traditions played a major role in the naming and organization of communities throughout Quebec during the settlement period. Parish churches often became the center of local life and served as important gathering places for education, religious services, and community events. Agriculture has remained one of the most important industries in the municipality for generations. Farms throughout the area produce dairy products, livestock, hay, and maple syrup. The open countryside and fertile farmland surrounding the municipality continue to shape the local landscape and economy today. Agriculture remains closely connected to daily life throughout the Etchemins region. Forestry also played a major role in the development of Saint-Camille-de-Lellis. Large forests surrounding the municipality provided timber for sawmills, construction, heating, and manufacturing throughout the 19th and 20th centuries. Logging operations created employment and helped support settlement in the region. Forests remain one of the defining features of the landscape surrounding the municipality today. The surrounding Etchemins region is known for outdoor recreation and seasonal tourism. Summers bring opportunities for hiking, cycling, fishing, boating, and camping throughout the countryside and nearby lakes. Autumn transforms the forests with colorful foliage that attracts visitors from across Quebec. Winters are snowy and support snowmobiling, snowshoeing, skating, and cross-country skiing throughout the region. Transportation routes help connect Saint-Camille-de-Lellis to nearby communities such as Lac-Etchemin and Saint-Georges. Roads linking the municipality to larger commercial centers allowed agricultural goods, timber, and supplies to move more efficiently throughout southern Quebec. These transportation links supported economic development and encouraged long-term settlement across the region. The municipality is also located close to the border between Quebec and the United States. Cross-border trade and travel have historically influenced many communities throughout this part of southern Quebec. Rural municipalities near the border often develop strong connections through transportation, forestry, and agriculture that extended beyond provincial and national boundaries. Today, Saint-Camille-de-Lellis remains connected to the forests, farmland, and rural traditions that shaped its history for more than a century. The municipality reflects the natural beauty and agricultural heritage of southern Quebec while continuing to maintain its strong local identity. Visitors passing through the area experience a landscape shaped by farming, forestry, changing seasons, and generations of community history. watching.